Rule the starting line. Mark 12 inches as the half length. Rule a line across. Mark 6.5 inches as the shoulder line. Mark 7 inches as the chest line. Rule a line across as well. Mark the shoulder line on the chest line again to get a straight armhole line. Mark the neck width as 2.5 by 2.5 inches. The shoulder slope 1 inch. Connect the shoulder line. Mark the chest line divided by 4, the waist line divided by 4. Divide the shoulder slope to the chest line to get the mid armhole. Go in by 0.5 inch. Connect the armhole line. For the yoke, come down from the chest line by 5 inches. Connect the line. From the center front on the yoke line, come down by 1 inch. Connect a sweetheart curve. The shaded part will be replaced with a net. The inches between the armhole to the chest line is the dart. Here it is 3.5 inches. Place the darts from the center front on the chest line, then come down by 1.5 inches from the chest line. Here the dart will start. Open by 0.5 inch on both sides to create the dart legs on the half length. Connect the dart legs to the dart points. Alter the neckline by 1 inch. Now the neckline is 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Redraw the neckline. Cut out the waistline, the neckline, shoulder slope, armhole, side lines, and the yoke. This satin is 3 yards. The skirt length is 38 inches and the waist is 27 inches. Cut a 180-degree flare by dividing the waist measurement by 3.14. The resulting answer is 9 inches. Add 9 inches to the 38 inches, making it 47 inches. Now place 47 inches on fold. Mark the 9 inches radius from the folded corner. Measure round the curve. You should have about 15 inches. This is on fold, so you have 30 inches, enough for the actual waist circumference. Next, mark the length of 38 inches on different positions. Connect the curve. Cut out the radius and the skirt length. Mark 6 inches lines to get the areas where the organza will sit all the way to the hem like so. Repeat marking the lines on the reverse side of the skirts. The organza is 8 yards each of the different shades of blue. The length of each step is 14 inches. It will be placed on fold to make 7 inches. Mark all the way lengthwise of the organza. The length of the bottom part of the dress, let's call this a skirt, is 22.5 inches after subtracting the half length of 12.5 inches from the full dress length of 34 inches. Mark the starting line. Here you place the waist divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches for seam allowance and 1 inch for dart. Come down by 7 inches to get the hip line. There place the hip divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches seam allowance. At the hem, minus 1.5 inches from the hip measurement, then add 1.5 inches for seam allowance. Connect the sides, cut out the skirt. Place the front skirt on a folded fabric to cut the back. The difference here is the 1 inch zipper allowance to be placed on the center back. The front waistline can be slanted down by 1 inch. Make the back skirt waist straight. Cut out the back waistline, the side and the center back. Notch the zipper allowance. Trim out the net at the hem to reveal the lace selvage. Place the upper bodice pattern on fabric. Add 1.5 inches to the side seams and 0.5 inch at the over chest and the hem. Proceed to cut out. For the back block, 1 inch at the center back for zipper allowance, 1.5 inches seam allowance, 0.5 inch at the top. Cut out and notch the zipper allowance points. Go ahead to cut the satin for the underlining of the lace skirt parts, using the lace cut out as a template for the front and back skirts. Always notch the zipper allowance point for easy identification. Cut out double satin for the upper bodice. One will be paired with the lace, while the other will be used as the lining. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.